learning is a very latent need. It's almost like, it's almost like you don't know, but if you don't do it, it's going to hurt you in the long term. So, ready, when you say they're ready, means how aware they are of the need, because the need has always been there. It's just that they have probably not focused on it enough. So, I think if somebody wants to make a quantum leap in terms of the future growth of the company, or they want to do some big transformation, I think no, transformation would be short term, but I think if they want to make a quantum leap without a learning culture which would instill a sense of skill upgrades, which would change the mindsets of the employee, I don't see how that will happen in a hurry. And that willy nilly will raise the need of a CLO. So CLOs do exist even in India and various Indian companies. The need has always been there, but I think sometimes the focus has been more on hygiene factors and getting it done. Sometimes the focus has been on basic technical training because the budgets may not be available, or the investment may not be available. Now, if you look at it from a business perspective, if I'm investing a few $1 million in a proposition, what are my returns? So very often my advice to a lot of my friends who are CLOs or in training is, you got to show them return on the investment to make a business case. So that latent need can be made a little more self-aware to the audience by voicing aloud how the whole case study on the learning piece is going to work. But a good CLO will really keep the organization on path, because that is what the mantle they carry.